is where the red steps are, but now they're white, covered in white. Yeah. Over there, those are the famous red steps. Right over there. All covered in snow today. So today they're the white steps. During the summer, lots of people come here. See, they close it off. So it's slippery. It's slippery. No. The steps are slippery. Now the turn skirt ball drops up there. That bone right there. That's where the ball drops. Or Times Square. Right back there. Wow. When they designed this, I guess they had no idea it'd be this slippery. My God. This is the fall here. I can walk in the snow, but not in this thing. It's slippery.
Quickly, let's get a selfie. Quick.
Time was at 4:24. It's 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow. There's Mr. Beast. This tile is all slippery. Oh, this battery lasts a while. It gave me about maybe over an hour ago. Yeah, 4:26 now. And the battery and the same pad is still going. Times Square lines.
不是才5点多吗？我现在4:27啊，你是5:27啊，你都快要早上。哎呀，跟昨天一样，我们昨天也是一样，都快要早上。这么冷。这怎么会怎么下雨？怎么咱们下雨？早晨吗？我现在不是早晨，我现在是晚上，快要天黑了。你看这个，现在这天空是不是暗下来了？4:27了，已经很暗了。这就是你的宝贝。
哦，
大雪还在下，对啊，今天要下，一直下到半夜呗。我不知道是不是要下到明天有。
So here I am in Times Square by the red steps, right over there. I'm wearing these shades because it's still snowing.
Can you take a photo for me? Can
Yeah,
you take a photo for
one
me?
moment.
Oh, sorry to disturb you. Thank you.
All right.